maintenance and maintaining your print system. Where to the cap and filter assembly we talked about, Matthews and MiTek got together and came up with 1 month on an ink filter cap assembly, just because of the environment we run these in, just because of the sawdust and everything that's down in our system, and the chance we take is sucking up contaminants from that ink and cleaner bottle. Cleaner, they're saying 2 to 3 months lifespan on that filter cap assembly. On the blade saw, just so we're trying to protect these print heads, there is a guard on the front side of this print head. You want to make sure this guard is in place, the screws are all in there and they're flush, nothing's coming loose. This is here to protect your print heads. If something happens to the roller or this gets adjusted, we're just protecting this print head because this is the area that the board is sliding across in front of. Not all of us are getting nice straight 2x4s and 2x6s. So there's a chance this print head could get brushed by a board or damaged. So this guard is there to help protect your print head. This switch, I know it's in some of the other pictures if you look. This switch is not on all saws. You will only have this switch if you have a edge printer mounted on the top up here on the ski. This switch tells it that the ski is a board and will allow the print head to print. So if you may not have the switch if you don't have an edge printer.